Now, let us look at the classification of computer networks. On the basis of the geographical coverage, computer networks can be of three types: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Many of you must have heard these terms. So now let us see what each of these stands for and what geographical areas do they cover. LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. As the name suggests, this network provides connectivity to devices in a small area, mostly within the same building, like an office or a home. It provides high-speed connection, since the area is small and the devices are close by. It requires less cost of setup and is not hard to manage. Also, the devices can be connected wirelessly. A common example of a local area network can be your Wi-Fi at home. MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It's a computer network that interconnects users across several buildings throughout a city or even across cities. But can this network run across the country? No. Maybe across 2 or 3 nearby states. MAN covers a much larger area than LAN. It has lesser speed than LAN since the area is much larger. There is more cost of setup than a LAN, and it's harder to manage. Can you think of any examples where MAN will be of use? A good example of MAN can be CCTV cameras spread across the city which are monitored by the police department. WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. This computer network spans across all geographical boundaries and connects devices across states, countries, and even continents. WANs are usually made up of LANs and MANs connected to each other to enable communication over long distances. WAN covers a much larger area than LAN and MAN. The setup cost is much more expensive than LAN and MAN. A perfect example is the Internet, which is a publicly available WAN to which anyone across the world can connect to. Some other examples are satellite communication used by televisions and even your telecom operators like Airtel, Reliance, BSNL, etc. So, we can clearly say that LAN covers a very small area, MAN covers a much larger area than LAN, and WAN covers a much more larger area than MAN.